In China, an army of humanoid robots is rolling into households. They're attempting what everyone else so far has failed to do: to turn the idea of a robot made from a science fiction trope into a product that's actually useful and won't kill you. The autonomous machines are developed by a new breed of well-backed robotics firms that are going to unusual lengths to familiarize their humanoids with real homes. And in the West, startups are popping up with plans that are even more radical. Will the strategies finally bring mechanical housekeepers into the mainstream? Or will they end up in the graveyard with the rest of them? In Wuhan, the Huawei-backed startup GigaAI just started rolling out its humanoid robot for households. Launched in 2023, Giga is led by Wang Guan, who has a doctorate in automation from Beijing's prestigious Tsinghua University. His startup is pushing its wheeled humanoid robot, named the SeeLight S1, into real homes with significant financial backing. Giga reported raising $147 million in March 2026, and another $221 million the following month. Its total funding is around $440 million. The startup has about double the reported funding as the Silicon Valley firm Sunday Robotics, which is also developing a wheeled humanoid helper for domestic tasks. Its valuation is also slightly higher at nearly $1.5 billion, versus Sunday's $1.2 billion. Giga's first rollout is already happening in Optic Valley, a major Wuhan tech hub, where 100 of the robots are entering town departments for scenario testing. The government-backed housing is for skilled workers, researchers, and other young professionals that Wuhan wants to attract. Giga is providing the robots free of charge for early deployments. They'll collect feedback from tenants, monitor how they handle real household layouts, and fix issues before wider seed home trials. It also gives them valuable access to real-world data to improve its artificial intelligence systems. In the US, 1X Technologies is taking a more direct-to-consumer approach to gain the same kinds of insights. They're charging early adopters $500 per month for its neo-humanoids that need remote operators in hopes of achieving general autonomy, with the data collected at the homes. Like Giga, 1X is developing a world model, which is an intelligent system that builds an internal understanding of how physical reality works. Most major humanoid companies now claim to use some kind of world model, even if they define it differently. They're built from a range of data sources, including devices that people wear while performing tasks for gig work, or because their workplace requires it. Sunday Robotics, for example, is paying so-called memory developers $30 to $60 an hour to wear its proprietary data capture gloves while doing domestic chores. In New York City, a newer startup called Shift is offering apartment cleaning services for free in exchange for permission to collect data. Its workers wear headsets that record footage capturing hand movements, tool manipulation, and task steps from their point of view. Shift says the data is anonymized, processed, and then licensed to companies seeking examples of real household and commercial cleaning tasks. Other data sources can include teleoperated robot movements, 3D scans, simulation data, and even synthetic video showing how objects and people move through the world. Experts like Jim Fan, co-leader of NVIDIA's Project Humanoid Foundational Model, say world models are the next major leap after large language models. They say it's especially important for robots in households where conditions are messy and always changing. Unlike most humanoid companies, Giga started out developing a world model called GigaWorld before getting into hardware. Its robot's artificial intelligence, called GigaBrain, uses that data to recognize objects, predict how they'll move, plan safe actions, and send commands to its hardware. GigaBrain is described as a vision language action model trained on thousands of hours of robot data, much of it generated through the world model. Once proven safe, Giga says it will expand beyond young professionals and into homes with elderly people, children, and pets. The S1 reportedly operates for 4 hours on a single battery charge. Its top speed is reported as 1.5 meters per second, or just under 3.5 miles per hour. Its maximum single arm payload is 5 kilos or 11 pounds. In its launch video, the robot uses simple grippers, but earlier Giga demos have shown prototypes integrated with 5-fingered hands. One scene shows the mechanical maid cleaning a toilet, and then washing its end effectors in the bathroom sink. The humanoid's current cost is around $28,000, but Giga says it's aiming for pricing below $14,000 by next year. That's around what the Shenzhen startup Astribot is charging for its new wheeled humanoid, the T1. The robotics firm, which is also known as Stardust Intelligence, has started taking orders for the robot that's a scaled-down version of its flagship S1 humanoid. The T1 stands 155 centimeters, or 5 foot 1, weighs 66 kilos, or 146 pounds, has a reported 23 degrees of freedom, and can carry up to 5 kilos, or 11 pounds, with one arm. It integrates with robot grippers and 5-fingered end effectors for a wide range of tasks at homes, labs, and workplaces. Like Astribot's S1, which is priced starting around $100,000, the new humanoid's movements are powered by a cable-driven architecture. Its artificial intelligence learns largely from human demonstration data. Though its launch video showcases potential household applications, Astribot is mostly marketing the T1 as a platform for practical testing and deployment of next-generation machines. Another Shenzhen firm, X-Square Robot, is partnering with 58.com, often called China's Craigslist, on a unique way to train its robots. They've launched a service where customers book a cleaning session that includes a robot cleaner with a human chaperone. X-Square's humanoid handles structured tasks like wiping surfaces, picking up debris, and tidying, while the human handles judgment-heavy work. The service is priced at $22 for 3 hours. The startup is planning a broader rollout of its wheeled humanoids that are powered by its self-developed Wall-B embodied artificial intelligence model. According to X-Square, the model is trained on real home data to handle unpredictable routines, clutter, layouts, and task variations. Founded in 2023, X-Square has raised nearly $600 million to date from major tech and industrial players like Xiaomi, Alibaba, and ByteDance. The idea of renting robots out at an hourly rate is also gaining traction in the West. In San Francisco, the Y Combinator-backed startup Eden Robotics just started taking reservations for its Eden 1 industrial semi-humanoid for physical labor as a service. Early orders include 80 hours of labor per month starting at $10 per hour. Like X-Square's robots, capabilities are limited now, but the startup insists they'll get more advanced as its artificial intelligence improves. Back in Shenzhen, yet another well-funded startup has begun mass production of its Terminator-inspired T-800 humanoids. They say their new factory is only the beginning. For the full story, check the related video.